Welcome to my channel, SAP Careers and Job Seekers Group, and this is Sam. Today we're going to talk about the fundamental difference between a business person or a business functional consultant versus an SAP consultant. So, and this is specific to the accounting area. So let's talk about an accountant versus the SAP FICO consultant. So number one, the SAP FICO consultant focuses on configuration. So he is more technical. So he will go to the configuration screens of SAP and create templates. So he will fundamentally create enterprise structure, master data, transactional data, document types, and then do integration with material management, sales and distribution, production planning, project system, human resource, and plant maintenance or customer service. An accountant, on the other hand, will basically do the accounting side of things, and he will be more of a user or a user of the application that the SAP consultant creates. So he will be doing bookkeeping, he'll be doing account receivable, account payable, financial accounting, taxation, and payroll. So that's the number one difference. Number two difference, we are talking about the technical skills. The SAP consultant is a techno-functional person, so he will be knowing the process side of things and he'll be knowing the implementation side of things. So he'll know the entire implementation or the software development life cycle, which we call as an activate. So this will start from requirement gathering, documentation, configuration, testing, data migration, and then go live and support the development that it does. Whereas an accountant will fundamentally have the end user skills, and in most cases they'll also have the Excel skills. So that's number two difference. Let's talk about the third difference. And the third difference is what is the life cycle or a day of accountant versus the SAP FICO consultant looks like. So SAP FICO consultant will be working on implementation, configuration, testing, and support of the application, as well as he will be working with the accountant to gather the requirement, both as is and to be, and map it to the SAP best practices or the industry best practice. Whereas the accountant will be focusing day to day on interacting with customers, vendors, receivables, payables, getting advances and bank reconciliation, as well as taxation of the company. So that's the number three difference between accountant and SAP FICO consultant. Number four difference is what is the career path. The career path of an accountant could be a bookkeeper or a junior accountant, senior accountant, the manager, and then he might go up to a director or a CFO. Whereas the SAP consultant works as a junior consultant with SAP FICO configuration. He could go on to product costing, asset accounting, COPA or profitability analysis or analytics side of it, or AI technology part of it. Whereas an accountant is more having a different career track. The SAP consultant would go as a junior consultant, senior consultant, and then ultimate like a financial integration architect. So that's number four difference. Number fifth difference, and this is a big difference. An accountant typically gets a salary between $40,000 to $60,000. Some accountants, senior accountants, get up to $80,000. Now, SAP consultant with the same 3 to 4 year experience that an accountant has starts with $80,000. So instead of 40, you start with $80,000. Instead of higher end of 60 to 80,000, you have up to $150,000 as SAP FICO consultant. Now, as an accountant grows in the company, he might become a director, a finance director, and he might get around $120,000. But as SAP financial architect with specialization specifically in the industry solutions like oil and gas, pharmaceuticals, retail, manufacturing, aerospace, can go up to $250,000. So exactly 2x of what an accountant starts with what a SAP consultant will start with. Now, in terms of configuration, FICO guys knows both the process side of it and the technology side of it, whereas an accountant is more focused on the end user side of any application. And this need not be SAP. It could be QuickBooks, it could be Sage, it could be Oracle Financials, it could be SAP Financials, so on and so forth, or it could be an Excel based an application that that's available in the market. So guys, those are the 5 major differences between the career of an accountant to the career of a SAP FICO consultant. Now, depending on the personal choice, a person might choose to become an accountant or a SAP FICO consultant, but the return on investment is 2x at the minimum. At end of the career as a director of finance, you might get $100,000 to $120,000, but as a enterprise architect in the financials, you will be getting around $200,000 to $300,000, or typically $250,000 would be the salary after 8 to 9 years of experience. There you go, guys. So the choice is yours. Personally, in order to cut short the financial aspects of it and the level of satisfaction you get, if you have inclination a little bit on the technical side, you should consider SAP FICO consultant, because it's got both the flavors. It's got the accounting flavor and it's got the technology flavor. You do not have to program. It's a great way to make a career and get the financial rewards that go with it. So there you go, guys. This is what the 5 differences are there between an accountant and SAP FICO consultant. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. We train SAP consultant under our college brand, www.mlccollege.com. And then we also do project implementation under SAP Sol Technologies, which is you can go to www.hirerig.com or email us at careers@sapsol.com, and our accounting or our account professionals or account managers will be happy to run you through your career path, what an accountant can do, what a SAP FICO consultant can do. Now, the accountant does work on the cloud, but SAP FICO consultant moves the technical side from on-premises to cloud to artificial intelligence as well. So hope you like. Please like and subscribe this video. We'll be comparing more and more stuff, and I'm also going to take a video of a 5-minute journey of SAP FICO consultant. How do you configure? What are the key steps of configuration? I'll do it on the whiteboard. Typically, if I do configure the entire FICO right up to internal order, so the whole of the financials and the whole of the CO, it should take 1 hour, but we can compress it to 30 minutes. And I'll show you how to quickly do the fundamental configuration of FICO in future. So please subscribe so that you keep yourself updated with these quick notes and tips and progress your career. And looking forward to see you guys again. Thank you, guys, and go out and win this career path in the world of SAP consultants. Thank you.